Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G11 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. As you can see, on the third position from the right, we've got the timer option. Currently this clock icon is crossed out, which simply means that the timer is off, so your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So if you'd like to set the timer, just tap on this icon. And as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose, so we can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me start with 10 seconds delay, and as you can see, the icon changes slightly, so currently we can check on which countdown we've got set. What's more, it is highlighted in this beautiful blue color, so you will not miss it for sure. So as you can see, after tapping on the shutter button, your device will count down from 10. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Alright, and we can change it to the 3 seconds delay in order to check. Let's tap on it. And the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Nokia G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.